Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Syuzanna, and I am a PhD researcher at the University of Adelaide. Thanks to the Department of Primary Industries and Regions, to Great Wine Capitals, and my supervisory panel, led by Armando Corsi, I had an incredible opportunity of visiting 3 wine capitals in Europe, Bordeaux, Verona, and Mainz. The main reason why I chose these regions was that they are in the forefront of climate change adaptation, and the main aim of my visits was to understand how are these regions tackling the challenges related to the integration of novel grape varieties into the industry and promotion to the market. And the novel grape varieties such as gene-edited varieties, hybrids, PVs, and non-traditional grape varieties have a great potential to help the resilient and sustainable development of wine industry all over the globe. In my first visit in Bordeaux, one of the most interesting visits was in Château La Tour Carnet, who are basically trying to simulate climate situations, climatic conditions that are typical for 2050 in Bordeaux. And what they try to understand is how some grape varieties are going to function and to find the most suitable grape varieties that will be the most suitable for Bordeaux in 2050 and in the future. Then the next visit was in Verona, where I had a great opportunity to meet research groups that are developing gene-edited grape varieties. Although they are not producing now commercial wines from these varieties, but they are at the moment navigating the regulatory landscape related to these grape varieties in Europe. Finally, in Germany, I had an opportunity to visit and to chat with 50 or more PV producers that have an initiative that is called Wines of Future. And they have been very successful promoting PV grape varieties in Germany in the last couple of years. Why are these visits important, or why are these insights important for South Australian wine industry? Well, I believe that first, this demonstrates how we can find grape varieties that could be the most suitable in our local wine industry in the future. Then second, we could try to understand how we can navigate the regulatory landscape to be able to integrate gene-edited grape varieties in the local wine industry. And finally, how we can promote non-familiar and non-traditional grape varieties in the local market. But I believe that the key takeaway from this trip has been that climate change is actually a global issue with not a single solution. What we can do is that we need a collaborative efforts across different sectors of wine industry to be able to find solutions and to efficiently navigate these challenges. My trip was really long and I have lots of things to share. So I'm more than happy to have a chat with you later during the event or afterwards. Thank you very much for your attention.